The steel giant roaring across the fields. A smart manufacturing revolution led by light is on the horizon. Plasma cutting and flame cutting. Low precision, excessive slag buildup, large heat-affected zone. This can cause agricultural machinery structures to loosen easily. Frequent abnormal noises. This reduces user work efficiency. KFLASER. Breaking the deadlock with 3 moves: speed, accuracy, and gentleness. It has become an essential item for the intelligent manufacturing upgrade of agricultural machinery enterprises. Fast speed, from blueprints to parts. It can be completed within a day. Rapid production launch helps you seize the market opportunity for differentiated agricultural machinery. Accurate, micrometer-level precision. From the thick steel chassis of harvesters, to the irregularly shaped seat boxes of seeders. Laser cutting offers high precision, producing a smooth, slag-free cut. Choosing a KFLASER laser cutting machine is not just an equipment upgrade, but a strategic choice. With a beam of light, we can carve out a more robust, efficient, and competitive future for agricultural machinery.